हाय, मैं रिया हूँ। मैं आपको अपनी सबसे प्यारी दोस्त माया के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। ये कहानी है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड माया और मेरी। हम दोनों की दोस्ती बहुत खास है। We're partners in crime. Well, not actual crimes. More like harmless pranks and clever schemes. हम हमेशा कुछ न कुछ शरारतें करते रहते हैं। हम लोग किंडरगार्टन से ही साथ हैं। हमारी दोस्ती की शुरुआत वहीं से हुई थी। Remember those plastic toy kitchens? हम उनसे प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस के बाहर रेस्टोरेंट बनाते थे। वो दिन कितने मजेदार थे। बच्चों से अपने इमेजिनरी लंच स्पेशल के बहुत पैसे लेते थे। हम खुद को बहुत बड़े शेफ समझते थे। एक बार हमने अपने क्लासमेट्स को कन्विंस कर लिया था कि माया के पास जादुई शक्तियां हैं। वो दिन बहुत मजेदार था। She could move things with her mind. असल में मैं टेबल के नीचे छुपकर फिशिंग लाइन खींच रही होती थी। हम दोनों की टीम वर्क कमाल की थी। But hey, we were 8. उस उम्र में सब कुछ मुमकिन लगता था। माया के ड्रामेटिक गैस्प्स और मेरे नॉट टाइंग स्किल्स ने हमें लेजेंड बना दिया था। हम दोनों की जोड़ी बहुत मशहूर हो गई थी, एटलीस्ट फॉर अ वीक। वो हफ्ता हमारे लिए बहुत खास था। हम दोनों ने मिलकर बहुत सारी यादें बनाई हैं। Our tricks weren't limited to school. We were known for our pranks, and our reputation extended far beyond the classroom walls. Summer vacations were prime time for adventure. The long, hot days were perfect for plotting and executing our mischievous plans. एक बहुत ही गर्म गर्मी में हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम अपने grumpy neighbor, Mr. Patel को टारगेट करेंगे. He was always so stern and never let us near his precious garden. Mr. Patel के पास एक बहुत ही अनमोल आम का पेड़ था. It stood tall and proud, laden with the juiciest mangoes we had ever seen. The mangoes were huge, perfectly ripe, and strictly off limits. They glistened in the sun, tempting us every time we passed by. वो उनको ऐसे गार्ड करता था जैसे कोई बाज. He would sit in his garden, eyes sharp and alert, making sure no one dared to touch his prized possessions. Naturally, they became our next target. We couldn't resist the challenge of outsmarting Mr. Patel and getting our hands on those mangoes. मेरे पास एक प्लान है. मैंने माया को एक दोपहर विस्पर किया. We huddled together, our minds racing with excitement. My eyes gleamed with mischief. I could already taste the sweet victory. माया, जो कभी भी चैलेंज से पीछे नहीं हटती, ग्रिन करते हुए बोली. She was always up for an adventure, no matter how risky. उस रात एक फ्लैशलाइट एंड अ बेडशीट के साथ हम मिस्टर पैटल के गार्डन में घुस गए. The thrill of the night added to our excitement as we tiptoed through the shadows. We used the sheet to collect the fallen mangoes. Each mango we picked felt like a small victory, and we couldn't wait to taste the fruits of our labor. As we grew older, our pranks became more elaborate. एक बार हम अपने grandparents के गांव travel कर रहे थे. The train was packed, and we were stuck sharing a compartment with grumpy old ladies. No worries, माया ने whisper किया. Watch and learn. वो जोर-जोर से अपनी missing ticket के बारे में complain करने लगी. Tears welled up in her eyes. मैं भी उसमें शामिल हो गई. My voice thick with fake distress. The passengers हमारी हालत देखकर अपनी सीट्स बदलने को तैयार हो गए. जल्द ही पूरा कंपार्टमेंट हमारा हो गया. We spent the rest of the journey sprawled out, feasting on snacks we'd sneakily stashed away. Not all our schemes went as smoothly. Sometimes our well-thought-out plans took unexpected turns, leading to outcomes we never anticipated. एक बार हमने अपने फ्रेंड रोहान को ये कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करी कि एलियंस ने उसका फेवरेट क्रिकेट बैट चुरा लिया है. We thought it would be hilarious to see his reaction. We even went to the trouble of making alien footprints outside his window. We used flour and some creative stencils to make the prints look as realistic as possible. दुर्भाग्य से रोहान हमारी बात मान गया. He was genuinely convinced that extraterrestrial beings had visited his home. वो इतना डर गया कि उसने कई दिनों तक अपने रूम से बाहर निकलने से मना कर दिया. He even started sleeping with the lights on, too scared to be in the dark. उसके पेरेंट्स ने तो घर से बुरी आत्माओं को भगाने के लिए एक पंडित तक को बुला लिया. We felt terrible. The situation had escalated far beyond what we had imagined. हमने रोहान और उसके फैमिली को सब कुछ कन्फेस कर लिया. We explained how it was all just a prank that went too far. To our surprise, they burst into laughter. Instead of being angry, they found the whole situation amusing. रोहान ने यह भी एडमिट किया कि उसे शुरू से ही शक था कि यह हम ही हैं. You two are unbelievable, he said with a grin. उसने अपना सिर हिलाते हुए कहा. He couldn't believe we had gone to such lengths for a prank. But I have to admit, those footprints were pretty convincing. We all had a good laugh about it in the end, and it became one of those stories we would tell over and over again. This incident taught us a valuable lesson about the consequences of our actions. While pranks can be fun, they can also have unintended effects. We learned to be more thoughtful and considerate in our future endeavors. In the end, the prank brought us closer together, and we shared a bond strengthened by laughter and understanding. It was a twist we never saw coming, but one that made our friendship even stronger. Section 5. Friends through thick and thin. Through all our adventures, माया और मैं हमेशा एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े रहे. We were a team. हाँ, हम कभी-कभी एक दूसरे से झगड़ भी लेते थे, like an old married couple, but our bond was unbreakable. जैसे एक बार मैंने accidentally माया के favorite white dress पर grape juice गिरा दिया था, right before a school function. वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गई थी. But instead of yelling at me, she grabbed a handful of grapes from the cafeteria. उसने वो ग्रेप्स अपने ड्रेस पर रगड़ लिए, जिससे वो दाग एक quirky फैशन स्टेटमेंट बन गया. There, उसने पोज करते हुए कहा, Now it's a grape-themed outfit. Section 6. A shared love for mischief. Our shared love for mischief was a big part of our friendship. It was our thing. It wasn't about hurting others. It was about the thrill of the challenge, the joy of pulling off the impossible. हम हर प्रैंक को ऐसे प्लान करते थे जैसे कोई मिलिट्री स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट्स. हमारे पास elaborate plans and diagrams से भरी notebooks थीं. Our success rate wasn't always perfect, but that just made our victories even sweeter. Section 7. The importance of trust and loyalty. Our escapades taught us more than just how to pull off a good prank. उन्होंने हमें trust, loyalty, and the importance of having someone who has your back के बारे में सिखाया. No matter how crazy things got, we knew we could always count on each other. That kind of bond is priceless. Section 8. The unbreakable bond of friendship. Now, years later, we're all grown up. Maya एक hotshot lawyer है. I'm a writer. हम आज भी अपने crazy adventures को याद करते हैं. They remind us of who we are at our core. Our friendship has evolved, matured, but the spark of mischief, that's never faded. Section 9. A twist of fate and a farewell. Remember Mr. Patel, our mango hoarding neighbor? सालों बाद हम उनसे local market में टकरा गए. He didn't recognize us. But then he started telling this story about two mischievous girls who used to steal his mangoes. वो हंसे, एक deep rumbling sound. Those girls were something else, he chuckled. They taught me not to take life so seriously. और तभी मुझे एहसास हुआ. Maybe, just maybe, our pranks weren't just about the mischief. Maybe in our own way, we were spreading a little joy, making the world a little less serious one mango at a time.